Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 stockbrokers you guys need. These are going to be brokers that I've used and that I'm currently using, so I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to sign up for any of these brokers, click that link down below. I'll have a list of all of the brokers so you guys can sign up and you guys can get like certain bonuses for signing up with them. So check it out down below. You won't regret it. And guys, let's jump into this here. So like I said, top 3 brokers. Also, if you guys want to learn more about investing and trading in the market, check out our school, code Black Friday for 51% off. We talk about how to find undervalued stocks, our strategies, our approach, and given it's our Black Friday sale, check it out down below. It's the largest sale we've done. So let's jump into this. So the first one here is Robinhood. I feel like everybody loves Robinhood. The reason why it's very, very easy to use. It's very easy to set up. It's commission free. But why I love it here is going to be it offers commission free trading on stocks, ETFs, options. There's no account minimums. So you can have an account with 1 penny in it. There's no monthly fees or anything like that. But more importantly, why I love it as well is the fraction shares. You can buy stock for as little as $1, which definitely incentivizes beginners to start investing in the market, which is all you need, right? I really think too, with them offering the new IRA accounts, the traditional, the Roth IRA, the cryptocurrency trading, this is perfect for people that don't want to, kind of trade the market, so to speak, but they just want to invest and they want an easy platform to use. They want to be able to invest $1 here, $1 there, and not have to worry about it. And I think this is a fantastic, fantastic broker. On top of that, with their IRA matches or with their IRA accounts, you guys get matches up to 3%. If you guys sign up with Robinhood Gold, which is $5 a month, you get 3% match plus a whole bunch of other fantastic benefits. So this is an absolute no-brainer in my opinion for people that just want to invest maybe for the long run or have like a fun investment portfolio. The second one here is a tool in the broker that I love. This is my trading broker. It's Mumu. So Mumu does offer that same commission-free trading that Robinhood offers. It offers fraction shares as well. But why I love it is it offers a very, very advanced tools. It offers level 2 data, institutional tracking, advanced charting. It has very, very like a high grade experience for traders. On top of that, it offers paper trading. So this is a built-in feature where you guys can practice strategies without risking real money. You guys can kind of see how the charting looks. I would say the biggest downside to Mumu is that there is just a learning curve to use the platform. Because it offers so much stuff that sometimes as a beginner, you may feel a little overwhelmed. But don't worry, we have tutorials on how you guys can navigate the platform. And you guys can get 20 free stock just by signing up. But anyways, Mumu is going to be designed for the traders that people want to try to get in and out of position, maybe try to make, have like a little side hustle of trading the market. That's where it's going to benefit. It's the best broker out there, in my opinion, for trading. So the downside, obviously, little learning curve, and there's no retirement accounts compared to Robinhood. The last broker is going to be Fidelity. Now, Fidelity is a standalone broker that offers a lot of really great tools, but why I personally love it is they offer something called a health savings account and a custodial account. So a health savings account is it's an account, it's called an HSA account, but it has tax advantages for medical expenses. So you pretty much can invest into stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and it grows tax-free for health expenses. And then if you don't have any health expenses, it's taxed at the same rate as a 401k, which is really cool. So it's almost like a way where maybe, if you have kids or whatever it may be, you want to just have some sort of account for emergency medical expenses. The next one here is a custodial account. This is a investing account for kids. The reason why these are so cool is because you can set up an investing account for your kids. And what's cool about it is you can send, your links and stuff like that to friends and family. So maybe for a Christmas present, they don't want to buy your kids toys, but they want to invest $10 into Apple. They can do that, which I really think is really cool. And it will start teaching your kids to save money, invest money, and there's all at no cost, which I think is absolutely fantastic. But overall, guys, these are the top 3 brokers that you guys need in your arsenal. And that's the thing. As a consumer, right, we have the option of picking the best and leaving the rest. And I think that's really important. For me, I don't like any fees. I don't like to worry about anything. And these are the brokers that I've used and I've had no issues with. So if you guys want to sign up with any of them, click that link down below. We'll see you guys in there. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.